is happening, guys? How we doing?
It's your boy Kicks, man. We back with another video. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm doing great, can't complain. Woke up another day, man. More opportunities, more blessings.
Damn, we got Lake Havasu right there.
Well, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the video quality might look a little bit different. Bear with me. If the quality is not that great or there's something wrong, I can't really tell through my GoPro. I'm gonna have to edit this footage later, obviously. Hopefully I got some ND filters for this camera, and I'm messing around now with the settings. So if the quality is a little bit too dark or it just looks a little off, I'm not sure. I do apologize for that in advance. But you know, small learning process, trial and error, but I'm pretty sure I'll get it right. The color should look really good. Like the sky should look like super realistic. Basically what the ND filter does, it helps make things look more natural, like as if you were really seeing it in real life. That's more what it does, just helps bring out like the realism in the video. But let me know how it's looking, guys. If you guys like this look, I'll continue to shoot like this. If you don't like it, I'll probably still continue to shoot like this. But yeah, man, we are currently on my way to my guys over at ABS Auto Body. I'm pretty sure you guys know what time it is by the title. We're finally getting a new lip on this thing. Lost the lip on my way to SEMA last week, so it's only been about a week without a lip, but luckily my guys have one in stock. It's actually a style that I was looking at before I got the one that I got. The one that I got was like a cheaper one, you know, just temporarily. Honestly though, that thing lasted me for a cool while. I had it on there since I pretty much bought this car. Hopefully the video looks good. It should look definitely a lot more cinematic, like you're here with your boy. Got movie Kicks out here. Wait till I get this shit right. But yeah, I'm gonna be on the way to put a new lip, and hopefully everything goes well and that lip lasts me for a while. They're actually the worst times to drive your car with a new lip. After it rains, all the cars pick up all the damn rocks. So this is when you're most prone to rock chips. Honestly, I should get it PPF before I put it on, but I'll wait for the next one. If it happens again, which I know it will, I'll just do it to the next one. All right, just filled up. Let's see how it's looking. Like, from what I'm seeing in here, it looks pretty good. But damn, a lip does so much for this car. It looks so damn naked. For sure not on that Kylie Jenner challenge right now. All right, let's get it.
All right, so this is auto, and I feel like it looks like shit right now because this ND filter with auto just doesn't work. But yeah, it's on the lift. Gonna get the new lip on. Very nice. Very simple, clean, not too aggressive. Looks like it's gonna have decent clearance too, since it kind of sits up.
So we're now testing this ND filter outside, and it seems like this one's a little brighter, obviously, than the other one. So this one might be more for lower lighting situations. Nice ears right there, though. So maybe for inside the car, since I have window tint, this might work better. But as far as being outside, I think the other one looks better. Three-wheel motion.
Alright guys, here's the lip.
Really like it. It's not like too much. It's honestly perfect. The other one looked cool too, but it was a little more like aggressive. This one kind of fits the whole aero kit I have going on a little better. More simple, clean look.
Fitment is awesome.
Pretty sure this will not be my last. The next one I buy, I'll probably definitely PPF it, because I know this thing's gonna get chipped up. I can already see it. It happens. But yeah, man, it looks good. Very nice.
Well, back in the lowland.
As far as the boosted Z, everything's good right now. She's running, really no issues. Knock on carbon fiber. I'm gonna be cleaning up the back real quick so I can put my emblems back on. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys can agree with me on this. The OEM headlights for Z's suck. Like, they're not the worst, like they're HIDs, but they just suck. They're not bright. This one, I believe I have the stock HIDs in, I believe. Let's see. Like, you know, from here, it seems like they're decently bright. They're cool. But yeah, once you're out, like on the actual road at nighttime, they literally like trash. I believe I have 8K bulbs in this one, I believe. Should be able to tell right away. Yes. So I have the 8K bulbs in here, which I feel like didn't really make it brighter. It just looks more blue. So yeah, I don't think they're any brighter than the OEM ones. Typically the lower the brighter. So these are 8K bulbs, and I believe the OEM ones are like 4,500 if I'm not mistaken. That's supposed to be like bright. So what we are going to try today, I'm going to try to install this aftermarket HID kit and see how much brighter it actually is. I looked and I really could not find any videos of people putting an aftermarket HID kit on 350Zs, which is really weird. Everyone basically swaps like these lights onto the older like DE, and then it's like HID 350Z. So we're gonna test the theory. I have this cheap HID kit. It's on eBay, bro. You can get it for like 30 bucks. It's plug and play, and it's supposed to be a lot brighter. But obviously I'm gonna plug everything up first and see if it even works. Hopefully they're brighter, man. That'll be nice. I'm gonna get to taking this bumper off, get the headlights off, and go from there. So I'm looking at it and I'm like, bruh, there's no way that this is gonna plug and play with this. Like, the plugs are completely different. I'm assuming it would be this one, because this is where the ballast gets the power from. So it should plug and play into that. So yeah, I just took this off for nothing. I'll put that back on. I don't know what to do with this now. I don't even know what Z this is for, then it wouldn't make any sense. It said 08 to 2018, so that would mean 372, but this is clearly not gonna fit 370. I don't know, maybe this fits 370. I have no idea. I haven't took off the 370 light, so maybe this is the same plug as the 370, I don't know. But yeah, that was a fail. L. Fail. L today, it goes to me. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to do the HID lights because they don't work with this car, so I did a few things though. I swapped out the red quick release and put the black one. I hate putting the bolt here, but it makes the fitment a lot better right there. So I put a bolt right there. So now I got nice fitment all the way around. I honestly really hate putting that bolt because every time you have to take the bumper off, it's like a pain in the ass. Versus just having the quick release, I have it on with a zip tie, just cut it, boom, the bumper will come right off. But the only con to that is you get like crappy fitment right here because obviously there's no bolt there. So I just went ahead and put the bolt. I don't really have to take the bumper off this car too much, so I just wanted it to look a little cleaner. So that's done. Put the emblems on. Very nice, very nice. Emblem boys now. So yeah, that's really about it. I'm probably gonna wash it tomorrow. It's not too dirty, but I got caught in a little bit of rain, so she's looking all nice and clean in the front now. So yeah, I'll take my ass home because I'm hungry.